Hey everybody, here's a quick video in case you have a Miele washing machine and you're getting an error F42. So what is it and can we get rid of it? So basically what it is, what the F42 error is this is an error that your machine will show when the electricity that it's receiving is not the electricity that it needs. Basically there's some kind of, it's the wrong voltage, it's the wrong frequency, something's wrong with the juice that it's getting. So how can you get rid of this error is the main thing you want to check is the electricity that's going to the machine, but not actually the machine itself. So this can be things like you are using an extension cord that is not heavy duty enough to carry the voltage necessary. This could be, in some rare instances, like you bought the machine in one country and you're using it in another country, so that the electricity that it's getting is not what it thinks it's supposed to be getting because of different protocols in different countries. And it could even be if you have it plugged in and there's something else on that circuit that is sucking a bunch of juice off the circuit. Could be make the electricity supply to the machine unstable and could give you this error. So anyways, the main things you need to do to fix this error is to check the electricity that the machine is getting, but not the machine itself. And if you are able to do that, you should be able to get rid of this error. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.